Welcome to Technical Drawing. See, we have a cone front view, top view, and we are going to cut it like this. Cut will be in the front view this way. Radius will be given to you and the distance is there, 25 from the top. Let's say this radius is 15 and we draw a cut like this. So how many points we will get? See, over here this much will be dark. In front view, whatever the remaining portion will be dark, O dash, G dash. So over here we'll get point PG dash. Then O dash, D dash, O dash, F dash. This point that you project straight down. This is O dash, E dash, O dash, I dash. Then this point is PD dash, PI, PJ dash. Then this is PC dash and PK dash. This is PB dash, PL dash, and this is PUPV because it is cutting base. Then you project straight down. So this is O dash, G dash. You project straight down, PE, PG dash. So wherever it will cut on OG, that will be point PG. So that way we will project all those points. O dash, this point, PF dash and PH dash. So wherever it will cut on OF and OH. Then this point is PE and PI. This is PC and PK. This is PB and PL, and this is PUPV. See, this is PB, PC, PE, PI, PK, PL. Now we don't have point D and J. See, the middle point, because if you project straight, it is not intersecting anywhere. So what I need to do, I need to take it till the extreme edge. So I can take on left or right. See this, I'm not getting anywhere. I can even do it with side view. I can take it in side view, and from side view also I can project, or I will take it till the extreme edge in front view till here. Then I will go down. Then I'll take this distance and rotate. So I'll get 2 points. It will be parallel to the base. See this point, horizontal, project. You can go it on left or right, wherever you want. Go down till here, and from here we rotate up as well as down. This is PD, PJ. So this will be curve, smooth curve. This will be dark, and this entire portion will be dark. And this will be hatch. So we are done with sectional top view. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.